Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. How are you today? I'm Fitria Wulandari from Universitas Muhammadiyah Sidoarjo. I can present my paper in PVC in HAS 2020. My research, which title is An Analysis of Teacher Candidate Scientific Literacy Through Natural of Science in Query-Based Learning. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to start now. Introduce. Why do we take this issue? Number one, based on the research of the 2018 PISA study, Indonesia ranking dropped compared to the ratio of the 2015 PISA. In the same level, Indonesia ranking 9 from the bottom of 79 countries. The achievement of the PISA Indonesia assessment in 2018 showed that the education in Indonesia has not been able to increase student. The low year of student scientific literacy is predicted to be related to the science learning process that has not provided opportunity for students to develop scientific literacy abilities. Teachers are required to building approved student scientific literacy by packaging learning that is able to increase the scientific literacy. The next, literature review. Inquiry-based learning can be integrated with natural of science. Inquiry lessons are a great way to teach knowledge explicit. Natural of science is very closely related to scientific literacy. Method. This research uses descriptive research method with the quantitative approach. The subject is this student were the 224 grade teacher candidate. Data collection technique are done through scientific literacy tests, observation, and student documentation. Research data about student scientific literacy related to context, knowledge, and competency will be analyzed by calculating the percent. The percent of student scientific literacy will then be studied description based on the deep category of science. And ratio and discuss. Based on the result of the study, it showed that science literacy score obtained by students indicate the level of scientific literacy. Assessment of student scientific literacy can be obtained from the calculation of the mean percent of students in answering questions correctly. Number 4. Percentage low 20.5%. Number 2, medium to 24.0%. High 16.5%. The achievement of scientific literacy ability of teacher candidate in each aspects of scientific literacy. Number 1, context. The context of science literacy context of student emphasizes the importance of knowing and understanding the context of science application and being able to apply science in solving real problems both related to person, social, and global life. Science literacy aspect context indicator presented of deep of context and deep category. Personal 19.15 for deep category high, social 18.8 deep category high, global 17.5.08 deep category medium, and then mean percentage of deep of content is 18.183 deep category high. Thus, it can be interpreted that students are able to deal with scientific problem is a personal, social, and global context. Number 2, knowledge. The aspect of science knowledge according to PISA 2016, there are 3 competency that need for scientific literacy to form knowledge, which are number 1, context knowledge, number 2, procedural knowledge, and number 3, epistemic knowledge. Scientific literary aspect knowledge, indicator content knowledge, presence of knowledge is 19.2.79 deep category high. Procedural knowledge, depression 19.75 deep category high. Epistemic knowledge 17.42 deep category medium, and then mean present of deep knowledge 18.13 deep category high. It can be conclude that the achievement of aspect of student knowledge with a high category. Next, competency. The competency aspect intended by PISA is to explain science phenomena, evaluate and design scientific investigation, and interpret scientific data and evidence. Science literacy aspect competency indicator explain scientific phenomena is present 18.7.158 deep category high. Evaluated and design as scientific investigation, the present 17.5.28 medium. Interpret data and scientific evidence, the present 18.3.08 deep category high, and then mean present scientific literacy aspect competency is 18.1.99 deep category high. It can be conclusion that teacher candidates are able to master scientific literacy in the category aspect with high category. The next, based on the data assessment of student scientific literacy and earth indicator, which is in the S aspect of time, the data on the main percent of student in one class can be seen as follow in the table. Scientific literacy aspect content presentation of deep scientific content, deep category high, knowledge deep category high, and then competency deep category high. The mean deep category high. From the data above, it shows that the mean present of student scientific literacy assessment for the context, knowledge, and competency aspect of 18.138% with the category of master the aspect of high scientific literacy aspect. Thus, it can be seen that later through natural of science in inquiry learning can be applied with conclusion. The research show that the mean percent of scientific literacy deep of the teacher candidate in the high category was 2.5%. The moderate category was 25%, and the low category was 20%. Will the presence of scientific literacy of students in the context, knowledge, and competency aspect has a mean of 4.38% with a high category. Thus, it can be concluded that the application of natural of science in the inquiry-based learning can be used to improve student scientific literacy ability. Thank you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thanks all my presentation about my research. Please give me comment and suggestion. Thank you very much.